Hi guys! Good morning! What's up? So today's video guys, we're here in Pennsylvania. So nag-hiking kami. Ngayon pupunta kami sa falls. Kung naririnig nyo po, ako naririnig ko na yung tubig. Yung tubig ng falls. So I'm with Chrislyn and Justin. So ito yung place. So yung pangalan ng place, Raymond Skill Falls. First time kong mag-hiking dito, pumunta ng falls dito sa Amerika. So, ayan na yung falls! Guys, this is the place. Ayan yung falls. Wow! Yay! At walang tao guys. Oh, meron din dito. Wow! Wow! Pero so guys, bawal maligo. Kasi ang lamig din ng tubig kung maliligo ka. So guys, pupunta kami dun sa taas. Punta namin yung taas. Doon, punta kami doon. Mag-hike kami doon. Come on, let's go!
Oh my God!
Guys, walang tao. Yun dun guys yung entrance sa falls. Dito naman ang entrance para sa hiking talaga. So pupunta kami ng taas.
This way, Justin, or this
To be honest, I don't remember.
Oh my god!
Hold on, let me think for a second.
Guys!
Let's take a break and think.
I think we're...
This one is Packers Trail, this one is Cliff Trail. Let's go here.
Are you sure?
Because it's
I think
cliff.
it's this one.
Let's go this
I
one.
think it's this one.
If we're...
I remember it being wrong.
If it's a wrong turn, then they're gonna kill us. Whoever's in there. Guys, nakakatakot kasi walang tao. Parang nasa movie na yung wrong turn. Tapos sa gitna ng lakad namin ng hiking, may lilitaw na may dalang chainsaw. Okay lang, may kutsilyo ako sa bag. Oh, there's a lake. Guys, there's a lake, small lake. Oh, it's not lake, it's a pond. Dude.
Justin?
Okay, I think that's fine, right? We're good?
Yeah.
No, Justin.
Chrislyn, don't jump. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Ew!
Natusok ako. Okay, I can't make it, guys. I'll wait. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, be careful. I only have this jacket. Okay, now we're...
Ow! Give me one of them.
Oh my
Shoot
god. It's your fault because you go there.
Oh, look at Justin!
It won't help. He's good. We're good.
Alright, who wants to carry?
Ay mo sa'yo, wala na pa na nga.
Other side. Which way? Left or right?
There's nothing say like you can turn here.
Yeah, that's why.
Look, look.
Oh, right there, maybe.
I think it's that way.
This way, right?
No, I think this way.
Looks like
Guys,
the edge.
I hope we're on the right track.
Bad. What's the way? Oh! I think we're in the right place. Hopefully.
Guys, kanina, malamig. Actually, malamig talaga yung panahon. Pero dahil...
Found it!
Oh, guys!
See, I could master just.
Oh my God! We found the place! Guys! Oh my God! This is so perfect! Oh my God! Oh my God!
That's the edge. Wait, Justin, no!
Justin!
No, 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 no,
Justin,
no.
stop!
Wait, really, Justin, no. Justin!
Justin, stop!
Oh my God. We don't know how to drive, Justin.
What else you down here?
Babe.
It's
I don't know if you can see this on the video, but
1,000
like
miles
it's really,
away.
really, really scary. It's so stiff. Look at them, look at them.
Guys, kung mahulog ako...
Come on, you gotta come down here. Stop.
Guys, one at a time. One at a time. Guys, it's really scary. It's scary, but it's kind of
looks
worth
like-
it.
Mount Capistrano, but with a good
No, this one has a good one.
view. Babe, come on, go down here.
See, wouldn't this be a nice picnic area, romantic, right? here?
Right?
Give me your
There's
hand.
two of us down here. You ain't falling. You all the way at least.
Oh my God, guys, look at that.
If
Look
you're
at
gonna
that,
fall,
look
then
at
it's easy. We're not gonna walk long to get to the car. Go!
Way. Oh my
I'm really my legs are shaking.
God.
Big.
No, there's
No.
there's
Lingkod.
no room.
No, just sit down here. Just sit down.
There's no room for an error here.
Just sit down. We're not going. Nobody will go there. Justin.
No, Justin, no! Justin, no! Really, Justin, we don't want anybody to drive us. Guys.
You see, it's right there. That rock ain't going nowhere. It held me, so.
Oh my God, my Lord.
Ubos pa.
There's not that
More?
bottom rock. That rock looks like it's kind of like ready to go.
Psst, go sit down and shut up.
I'm gonna put
Oh
foot-
my God, guys. Oh my God.
Oh, now it's cold again.
It's getting cold,
Oh, yeah.
guys.
Guys, be careful there. Like, really.
Dive head first.
So it's time for the snacks. Let's see what we have in my. Let's see what we have in the first, Joseph.
We have some fudgy bar. We have some pili nuts. We have some The Voice Philippines. I have some cotton. It's like for emergency if somebody will bleed. And then I have some Band-Aid. See? I told you, we have... Oh, we have Dunkin' Donuts in the house. We still have another pili nuts.
This one's really good.
Oh my God. I still have this. It's like a month ago. And we have some Polvoron Goldilocks, sponsored by Goldilocks. Thank you, Goldilocks, for sponsoring this trip. Fudgy Bar and the company, The Voice, and the driver.
Oh my God. They were so little.
Think if I scream, they'll hear me.
Of course
Scream,
not.
they'll hear me.
Like, way.
Guys, pauwi na po kami, guys. We're done. We're going home. We're freezing. Hindi namin alam yung daan pa uwi. Kasi iba yung dinaanan namin. Pero sana we're on the right track again. Again.
You think? Oh my God.
Guys, tingnan nyo. Oh, sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda.
So you both are gonna
Ay,
go
ikaw,
later
maganda.
for the- being in the cliff.
Pagpasok namin dito, dapat pala, we take this right path, pero umi-straight kami doon dumiretso. Tapos ang layo ng nilakad namin. Tapos umikot kami doon sa pinuntahan namin. Tapos dito ang bilis lang pala. So next time, alam na namin kung saan. Liliko, kung saan liliko. Kasi sobrang dali lang pala. Like, 5 minutes walk. Pero kanina, nilakad namin mga 15 minutes walk. Tapos, may malapit lang pala. So, pauwi na kami ng New Jersey, guys. Guys, we have some goat chocolates. It's a mini goat. Look. Next stop kami sa goat chocolate store. On our way home.
What do you wanna eat?
We have some mini goats and sour gummies.
Wait, what?
Ang cute ng store.
They're talking about food.
Ang dami nilang ano doon. It's a local store.
It's up to you.
Home of the chocolate goat gift shop. Hi guys, and we're home now. The time is 9:30. So nakauwi kami kanina mga 9. Tapos before na nag-dinner muna kami dun sa isang Italian place. Ayun. Medyo nakakapagod kasi malayo yung biyahe, pero okay lang. Kasi worth it naman, masaya, sobrang happy kami. First time namin mag-hiking dito sa Amerika. And hindi masyadong malayo yung nilakad namin. And yung falls, first time kong makakita ng falls dito sa Amerika also. So ayun, ang saya lang. Parang feeling kong productive ng day off ko ngayon kasi kahapon nag-barbecue kami. May party kami konti dito sa bahay with friends. Tapos ngayon, hiking, tapos falls. Ayun, enjoy. So, thank you for watching this video guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!